Again, I can't give on them and I can mention number saying Ketata because I have a one I said because video no I na quadina and Ketabon. Oboros in her phone no only in a trend came last week and again me not one man like that is Zion ministry. Which Obokwano Jenny testimony because the testimony has not been officially published. Remember I published just that now. The guy got of excitement to evangelism because so he was shouting of what God has done for him. He was shouting on he they walk, no that kind of thing. Evangelism because we tease a microphone, he was able to speak one or two things, how God changed his life. The views were on one particular denomination before. From there something happened which I don't want to get into. But the place in the way they interested is what happened after, because of our boss, before then on our low clearing and forwarding of importation from the Namaron on our low importation from according to him that everything that's our customers buffet. Nobody is calling him a grobido label shoe. Magumu shoe and one still I had our boss from boss on Yagide boss, not even his church for all his other church people didn't assist him. No one of his friend Naga Christ Embassy Church Kobia or the guy we been ego Mazuli ego we making or we go to Moto Jaba over in order to complete them. Still he couldn't meet up that money because most people are this part of this story. He couldn't meet up to that money and the person will be an alia Uber on Aba. That was Bimbobia was a Zion. The person now is Uber. From there, God decided to change his life. So customers be were clearing and forwarding. Even his house project, Omela abandoned that him and his family has been sleeping into. Because then, before then, Duno was not a roof gear and a lobe. So even then he started sales mbekota ndi chifubu yamaka no clearing and forwarding na bido kwa chete they started calling him back by February. But that was why he was so excited and things began to change. So every posted the testimony saying the boy back assistant pastor wanna so yesterday Governor Zoku was contacted I talked to his lawyers. So he was saying no mama apologizing even after he went as far as the lawyer send the lawyer no play voice note and all those things. That's not my problem. Manachom couldn't get because now this time around there's a statement that is going on shows that very soon, very soon somebody yaganga and when him we kubum that in mba ogechi but I just say very soon now another person yabani very soon another person. It's just so sad na lawyer contact a post to again we sort of baby respond as a civilized human being and as a civilized man a lawyer. No matter the business getting a lawyer, it is none of our problem. It's none of our problem. So you shouldn't even find its way into the internet. Go and settle your personal life with him. But this is otherwise because the young man in question saying he is not taking it lightly. You have to go. So help is coming to the young man so that he is about to forge a legal petition against Salon and a court. Kogwe na we assistant pastor. Kogwe Mboji rebel pastor. Kogwe Mboji we and currently that he's a pastor now. Because the man seen a mother of a pastor while on a gathered church since 2023. Yotago. So let us watch this man video one night. Okay, we're going to go na the internet. So far so good. God one.
You see, the truth of the whole thing is that if Thunder never fire one of these bloggers that are always going around looking for a video of people that testify or video of people in Zion ministry to copy and tag RNG on social media and start making unnecessary issue with it, looking for who they will deceive, others no go learn. Like if they no carry one person, put for nga, throw away the key so that others will learn. Many of them we never have sense. Talking about this guy, Governor Eziokwu rushed to copy his video where the guy, out of excitement, was saying that he's working, you know, the Grace in Zion ministry is working. To tag that video arrange that the guy is a pastor in a particular ministry or church, and the guy was never an Uber driver, with all the things he said. And before you know it, some bastard started carrying that video, spreading it, tagging it arrange. What they are not sure of. I spoke with this guy this morning before I went to work. I spoke with this guy for like 30 minutes on the phone. The guy told me that that video was 2021. The video, because I asked him a lot of questions. It's just that he said that his legal team, they are still on one or two things. He don't want to, you know, do some certain things now, or say some certain things on live. That his legal team is on something. Probably to put somebody in Nga. The guy told me that that video was 2021. When he bought that land, he built his house on. The same house he said that house was uncompleted building when he started coming to Zion ministry. And the fact still remained that he even brought a passenger to Zion ministry. Nobody invited him. He brought a passenger, and immediately he want to leave, something asked him to go in and join those people in worship. That is how this guy attended Zion ministry. That he was never a pastor of any church. Matter of fact, that the GO of that particular church and his wife, because I asked him, okay, do you know, I asked the guy a lot of questions, because I don't do all this amateur blogging. I asked him, do you know Governor Eziokwu or any of these Umweperima blogger? He said no, he don't know anybody. That he was even surprised. I now asked the guy again, are you having issue with the GO of your former church? The guy is saying no, but the only problem is that when the guy have money, they used to tell him to bring money for them to kill cow, kill goat, and after spending money, still nothing is working. And when it's as if he realized that all these things are scam, he stopped going to that church. That is the main reason why those ones are angry. Because now here teacher gear, ha mi goya, according to the guy, why he still have a lot of money? That man and his wife, that particular church, every time they will kill goat for sacrifice, they will do this one. He should bring money. That is the reason why he run from that church. He stopped going to that church. He showed me his Uber app on WhatsApp video. I was talking with this guy on video. Like, everything is there. For Governor Eziokwu that said this guy was never an Uber driver. Do you know what it is for somebody to do a trip up to like thousands of trips? He up to thousands of trips. You say the guy was never an Uber driver. The guy is a pastor. Are going to do fake testimony, fake this one. That according to Governor Eziokwu Ekperima, that he still have a lot of things to say. He still have some things to say, but he's trying to, you know, this one. Exactly what he said during the Jonathan. After Kayana J. Park, Baro J made the man interview. He said, one of his video, I saw one of his video where he was saying that if they do this thing, he will say a lot of things about that Jonathan that nobody knows about. That he knows a lot of secrets. He knows all this, their manipulative side of life, trying to manipulate the public. people say no that or they cook now that padlock man no okay yeah some ministry in Ezezo about him or no okay. And I after watching that video I dare Governor Ezeokwu and JPAC to come out and review that particular secret they are hiding on that Jonathan of a man. None of them said anything ever since then. But the gullible ones out there will be thinking that this person, this Jonathan of a true now the NGO or this one or that one. You know? I don't know the reason why Governor Ezeokwu jiwe ozie kwensu nke ikpeazụ a. O mecha putoleti unu the shana might. Meanwhile ekwensu jizi akwaro ngworo na nke ikpeazụ a. If thunder no fire. So for me, if thunder any of this Eperima blogger, I don't want to use the word buy. I don't want to say if they never buy any of these people, others no go learn.